and welcome to my insanity. So today I am actually at the peak of my insanity with the encouragement of some of my friends, and after watching hours worth of drunk makeup tutorials, I thought, hey, stop. Alright, look, listen here, past Janet. 1, this is a very, very dumb idea, and please do not have alcohol and use sewing machines or any kind of machinery. 2, I'm 22 years old, therefore I am of legal drinking age. 3, there are side effects to drinking, and I'm going to leave some other kind of disclaimers. Either way, dumb idea, don't do it, let me do it for you. And even though it worked out this time, it might not work out next time. Alright, anyway, let's go. Why not do the same with the sewing machine? Because that's gonna be a great idea. So because I am in fact a mad scientist, I pose the question, will my sewing skills be hindered by inebriation? And I pose the hypothesis that alcohol as a beverage causes inebriation and affects a person's motor skills and clarity of judgment, enabling the skill set required to construct clothing. So I don't anticipate that this is gonna go well, but regardless, I'm gonna give it a shot. And I have Jai here with me. Time to get to the beverages. Okay, so my choice of poison today is some margarita mix, because it's always time for margaritas. It's 11 AM at the moment. And I've got some tequila mix. I don't actually have any measuring tools, so we're just gonna put in like 2 shots.
That should be 5?
It's just like that lady when she's like 2 shots of vodka, and then we're gonna put in this margarita mix. And let the fun begin. That is really strong. It's alright, throughout the day, like, I'm not gonna be so inebriated that I can't actually see what I'm doing. There's the kick. See, like, everyone else is celebrating like the end of the uni semester by going out and clubbing and having fun and drinking and partying. I'm celebrating by going out, having fun, drinking and sewing. Refreshing. It's time to go, so I will be choosing the fabric with a bit of a buzz because I feel as though that's going to be the best way to pick fabric. And then I'm going to attempt to use a sewing machine as well. We're going to get in the car and head to Spotlight, and Jai is driving. Because of obvious reasons. Be responsible. Okay, so we are currently on our way to Spotlight. Jai is driving as I promised because responsible, and like it's starting to hit me. Maybe like 2 margaritas was a little bit excessive, but you know what? For the views. No, not for the views. Just for sheer curiosity. Like curiosity killed the cat. We just got to Spotlight. We just got to Spotlight and we're gonna try and be inconspicuous with the camera, but at the same time, like, I don't know how to do that right now. So I don't know how much film we're gonna get. Also, like, I gotta keep this level on the down low. There's so much fabric and I didn't think through what I was actually gonna make. Look at all of it. Look at how pretty this stuff is. There's so much color. I love color. I lost my babysitter. I lost Jai. So I just did a dumb thing because at Spotlight, when it came to buying the stuff, they were like, do you have a membership? And I said, yeah, of course I got a membership. Like, I come here all the time. So they asked me for a phone number because I didn't have the card because it's my mum's membership. And I gave them a phone number and she was like, oh, is this a new number? And I said, yeah. So she switched it. I don't know what phone number I just gave her. I just spent $70 at Spotlight that I don't exactly have in my account, but like, you know what? Boom. Worth it. What? It's good and I was hungry. It's like some ASMR like level stuff. Like I go up to the camera, I'm like I'm beautiful. Jai's still here to 1, keep me company, 2, drive me around, and 3, babysit me to prevent emergency situations, but also intervene when and if there's an emergency situation. But we went to Spotlight and I got stuff that we don't need. Okay, so I got this fabric because it's so pretty. Oh, is that gonna be itchy? I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't think through what I was gonna make. I just bought stuff. Okay, now I can properly think what I'm gonna make. Oh, I could make a midi skirt. Oh, imagine I make a midi skirt and I make a shirt to go with it.
Ooh.
That could look pretty. That'd be better if I was sober. But you know what? It's gonna look pretty anyway. Okay, I switched cameras because my other one ran out of battery. But, okay, this is my sketch. That's me, that's shirt, that's skirt. This is fashion. So that's what I'm gonna try and make. I have a dress form, so it should be easier, hopefully. Let's go! So this is my dress form. Name her in the comments, because I don't have a name for her yet. Scissors! So I don't actually know what I'm doing. I want to make a little crop top thing. So that's good on that side. We're just going to cut it there. Boom! Okay, now that I cut that, I got to adjust the camera. Jai, help me adjust camera. Jai's such a good helper. Okay, so now that I cut...
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to be the one that's supposed to get injured. Okay, so I cut this little bit here because I think that's how much fabric I'm gonna need. And because this is all patterned, I kind of have a straight line to go off. So I'm just gonna cut this out to make it easier for me. Is this gonna be the right size? I don't know. Oh no, why is there, there we are. Okay, I don't need this. I cut in half. Now I can have a front and a back. Now I gotta angle the camera up again. Oh wait, where are my pins? This is where it starts to get dangerous. Oh no, come back. Oh, now there's orange stuff. I don't even know if these colors are gonna look good on me, eh? That's too long for a crop top. This was a bad idea. I don't know how to sew. Oh, I gotta do it backwards. That's why. I figured it out. I don't know how to sew sober. Why did I think this was a good idea?
Because you're drunk.
Oh, I wasn't drunk when I came up with the idea. And I'm not drunk, I'm tipsy. Everybody in the club get tipsy. Get tipsy. Everybody in the club get tipsy. I take some pins and Jai freaks out. How do I make...
Because you were about to like grab them like they were like a bag of chips and you just about to like...
They are a bag of chips.
Yeah.
I didn't stab myself. Excellent. Oh, but the patterns are gonna be different on each side. Oh no. Well, this is the outfit. Wait. Bye. Did I line it up? I'm a magician. I lined it up, Jai. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. I'm a magician. I gotta cut this in half. Jai, can we find my glasses?
I don't leave here. I don't know where you put them.
My glasses. I can see. Okay, that's a lot better actually.
Yay.
Spin. Is that enough for a waistband? No. I'm too chubby. But the good kind of chubby. Oh no, come back. There it is. Wait. And then I've got to find the thingamadoozy. Oh no, now it's stuck. Okay, what have I done? Ah! Okay, now that I got pins in it, I'm just gonna sew it. Wait, where's the pins? Oh, they're the pins. Okay. Ready, Jai?
Yes.
Okay, if I get hurt, what are we gonna do?
Throw you in a car and go to the hospital.
Good boy, let's go. All I gotta do is really like hem the shirt because it's a geometric pattern, so like I just hem along. Ah, the pattern! Wait, but this red color's not gonna go with it, and that's what's on my bobbin, so I've just gotta like undo my bobbin. And there's so much thread. Ha! Oh, the thread. Gone. Look how pretty this pink is. I bet you in the moment where Jai has to go make a phone call, that's the part where I die. No, did I get a thread that won't fit? I got a bad thread. Oh, let's see if I can make it work. That worked. I was dancing. I'll just let it dance next to me. Okay, so most of the hemming's done. I've just got to do the back part and how I want that to sit because I don't know how I want that to sit yet if I want a zipper. And then I accidentally made shoulders. So I've got to sew that in a bit. But while I'm doing that, top up time.
She was strong. The force is strong with that one.
I think I'm gonna pin it on an angle, and then I'm just gonna put one button up the top because I feel as though that's fashionable. If it isn't, like, I was mistaken. Oh, that side's longer. What? How did that happen? Oh no. Maybe my scoliosis can even it out. Anyway, so I have this like top sack, and Jai and I are gonna go get lunch, and then I'm gonna work on the bottom sack. Now I gotta make a skirt. I don't know how to make a skirt. Oh, if I make a one big... Jai, I'm a genius.
A drunken genius.
I'm not drunk. I'm just tipsy. Everybody in the club get tipsy.
You sung that song like 26 times.
Okay, I'm like so done with this. One thing that I found with this experiment is that you get lazy. Like I had this big grand idea to make this really cute like 2-piece and a biscuit, even though I don't know what a 2-piece and a biscuit is. It's probably something really gross and I'm gonna hate myself for like saying it so many times. Just like Jai hates me every time I say, everybody in the club gets it.
Oh my god.
So I'm legitimately just gonna try and make like a skirt that's just 1 piece. We're just gonna pleat the absolute hell out of it. Oh, but then I've got to make a waistband. I don't know what I'm doing sober. And this fabric's really itchy. That works. What do you think about that, Jai?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now sew it and so you can wear it.
I don't know how to. Huh?
You're the sewing expert.
I'm not an expert.
Well, you're better than me. I don't even know how to turn the thing on.
The butt. Yay for geometric. Okay, I'm gonna do the waistband first. And then I'll do the rest of the skirt. Okay, so I made the waistband and I just pleated the absolute hell out of the big piece of fabric because I didn't want to cut any more pieces. I'm sick of cutting. I'm sick of sewing. I want to take it now! So I just pleated it and then pinned it to my waistband, and now I'm just going to take it off and then I'm going to stitch it, and then after I do that I'm going to put it in a zipper and then sew the one big piece together, and then I'll hem it if I can be bothered. Like when I'm out clubbing and having fun, I'm usually like all dancing and life of the party. This is just frustrating. You ready, Jai?
Yes.
I'm not. Everybody in the club gets
Stop!
Get tipsy. There's so much fabric in this spot and I don't think my machine can handle it. / I don't think my anxiety can handle it.
You just broke your pin, didn't you?
I broke my needle. Die! Oh no, where's the needle? Oh, now I gotta find it. Oh, there's part of it. Everybody look for the broken pin here. There, look for the broken pin here. That's it for today's video.
I hope you enjoy.
Again. I really hope you all think this looks pretty. I just want to make something so pretty that everyone's like, oh my god! That everyone just thinks like, damn, she's got mad skills. Hey Jai, guess what?
What?
Everybody in the club get tipsy. We have skirt now. Oh, the lighting's so bad.
You keep singing that song over and over. No, don't do that.
Everybody. Okay, so now that I got this, I'm gonna try and pin a zipper to it at the back so I can get it on and off. And I'm gonna stitch up the back. And then I'm gonna hem the skirt. And then after that, I'm gonna try it on. And then I'll leave it to my sober self to deal with photo. Okay, I'm on the homeward stretch and I'm feeling a lot better, but I'd be feeling even better, son, if you got under my eyes. Yeah, so I pinned the zipper on. I cried a bit. I had some more margarita. No, I didn't cry and I didn't have more margarita. Jai's cut me off.
You have Coke Zero.
I'm now allowed caffeine. Because we're almost at the end, so we're gonna try and sober me up. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Hey, look at this. I can totally totally do this. See? Alright, Janet, next time, what have we learned? Don't push our luck. We were doing so well. Then you have to keep talking and ruined it. I'm wearing pants under this, so like you don't have to be scared. Anyway, this is the outfit that I came up with. It's this two-piece kind of thing. So it's this high-waisted skirt, which is really itchy because of the fabric. I don't make great life decisions. It's so itchy. I want to scratch my skin off. But anyway, I'm not too mad about how like the cut and the fit of it is, except for the scratchies. But yeah, so I did it. I sewed this outfit. It's supposed to be fashionable at the back, so there isn't really a back. So of course today, where I put on a full face of makeup and do my hair all nice so that I can go take photos and finish the videos off like I usually finish them off by taking photos and having a fun time with Jai. It's raining, like bucketing down. Like there's gonna be some flash flooding in my area, kind of bucketing down. So we're not gonna do that, and instead I'm going to show off my garment that I made yesterday. Oh, I hate my past self. This is so itchy. I feel like I have fire ants crawling all over my body. But either way, I'm gonna do a quick 12 for you. I'm a big fan, if my dogs are barking in the background, I'm sorry. So I'm a big fan of like the shirt that I actually made because I do like the boxy kind of feel and the like fashionable like cutout at the back. I'm a big fan of it. There's a few bits and pieces that I haven't like tucked in and that my past self didn't tuck in, but you can't really see the skirt in the camera. I'm gonna regret this decision. So this is a skirt. It's a midi. I kind of like the midi. There's a spider on my roof. So I'm a big fan of this. I should have done the zipper a bit better, and the pleats I probably could have done a bit better, but considering I've never made anything like this before, I'm actually not too angry. The only thing I'm angry at is the feel of the fabric. Pretty pattern, but this feeling is scratching me in places I never wanted to be scratched. So yeah, that's how we went. I'll try and upload some photos to my Instagram. Go follow that if you want it. If you don't want to, don't blame me. But for a pretty pink potato sack, I'm pretty happy. So if you made it through the whole entire video, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate it. I genuinely just love making these kinds of videos and just like making videos in general. They're my little happy place. So if you have any suggestions or comments that you want to leave me, please do, because I love chatting to people in the comments. I love just responding. It's a little hobby of mine. But if you have any other suggestions of future videos that I can make, if you have any ideas for me, please let me know, because I'm always looking for inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye guys.
Bah!
Oh my god.